Let's see how to install the Uni2Chain blockchain on the SafePal wallet. Initially, we're on this screen when we open SafePal, and at the very bottom there are 5 icons. We can see the one in the center that says Explore. We tap on it, and if it's the first time, this message will appear where we can check this box and tap the blue button. And then, at the very top, we'll see a field that says Search the app or enter a link. We tap there and we're going to enter exactly this address, qr.uni2chain.org. I'll leave the exact link in the description of this video so you have it. Once that's done, we tap Done. A warning will pop up. We tap Confirm. We wait a little bit and it says Connect the wallet. We tap on Connect Wallet and choose Browser Wallet for SafePal. It asks us again if we want to install this blockchain. We say yes, confirm. And then it says, congratulations, because we now have the blockchain installed in SafePal. And now, what we do is close up here on the top right, go back, head to the bottom left to Wallet, and here, about halfway down, we see a drop-down field that says All, which is used to filter by blockchain. We can type Uni2 and the Uni2Chain blockchain will show up. So we can filter and see only the tokens or cryptocurrencies from the Uni2Chain blockchain. Then we can click on that icon again. Click on All again so that all the tokens and cryptocurrencies from all the networks we have installed on this SafePal appear. And that's how we install the Uni2Chain blockchain on our SafePal.